Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Noodle link in description.
All right, it's the 15th of December, and we've got our Lego deal right here. It's kind of like a little rocket sled, spaceship. That's what I'm going with. Yeah. And on here, there is number 15 right there. So let's get to it. Well, that one was a little trickier to get out, but we have spicy Demae ramen today. Awesome.
Well, hello folks, it's Hans the Ramen Raider, and time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodle. Today, as I showed you for you a moment ago, now it's 2 p.m. This is Nissin Demae Ramen Spicy for December 15th, 2025 of the Nissin Advent Calendar. I hope you're doing well. We're in the middle of some weather. There's a lot of gusty wind going on right now. Isn't there a liquid sachet? There's this one. I swear there's a liquid base. There it is. I've found it. I've found it on this festive day. But yeah, the power could go out. That would kind of suck right about now, I gotta be honest. Oh, the sachet looks slightly different. So, on the one that I used old images for the post, but this is what the sachet looks like. I think the other one was clear. I could be wrong about that. I'm sometimes wrong about things, but that's okay. That's just fine. But yeah, wind, rain, we got all these weather alerts. It's fancy outside. Woo! Anyways. Just being happy-go-lucky today. On this 15th day of December. What's the big news right now? Rob Reiner and his wife are dead, and it sounds like that's because of, it sounds like maybe their son did it? That's crazy! Don't do that. Don't do that. And, I guess our illustrious leader, you don't talk bad about people that died. That's not cool, dude. Unless you want people to talk bad about you when you go. I don't know. I don't think it's gonna be like the way it goes in North Korea when he goes. I don't think there's gonna be people lining the streets crying. I really don't. But, you know, whatever. Whatever. But yeah, it's a festive time of year, folks. Festive and funky. Yeah, I walked up the trail. A lot of water. A lot of wind, a lot of rain. It didn't really get so windy until I was about ready to get coming home, and there was like one point my hat almost flew off. It was just this gust out of nowhere. There's a lot of emergency junk going on right now too. It's like fire trucks and all that. And you can hear them. mentioning on Pulse Point. By the way, if you live in the US, I think that's the only place where it's available. There's an app called Pulse Point, and you can get that, put in your zip code, and if your local like fire and emergency uses it, so it's like my son will be like, "Papa, siren." I'll be like, "Okay." So I open up this app, and it'll give like a time. So if it's like 2:03 p.m. and if the first one says like 1:59 and you're hearing sirens, that's probably what you're hearing, is them going to whatever that was. A lot of them will be like medical. There's all sorts of stuff I've seen, but today it's mostly like electrical emergency, hazardous condition, wires down, stuff like that. But I'm really hoping that I can get through this review before the power goes out, because I think that is a very high possibility today of power outage fun, which actually I think is a lot of fun, because that means I get to haul out my my shortwave radio and listen to it, because I don't pick up really much of anything normally, but when the power goes out, see, nothing's running, so there's really nothing interfering with my signal, and I can hear the aliens more easily. I could just, well, then I need regular power. I've got a scanner. I've got a Radio Shack Pro 2252 dual trunking scanner. Got it a long time ago. I got it for Christmas. My mom got it for me for Christmas, because I lived in a place called Marysville, Washington, and I thought it'd be great to have, because there was a lot of crazy stuff that was always going on there. So, but what I like it for is listening to talk groups, and there are talk groups of ham radio operators, like, what do you call it, 10 meter, 40 meter, something like that. But anyways, usually they're talking about get-togethers and like having somebody's apple pie. All right, let's give it a try. Here's our broth. It kind of reminds me of a spicy version of the Demae ramen, or of the rather, it is a spicy version of Demae ramen, but it reminds me of the sesame. Okay, there's my bowl. Wow, I can still hear sirens going off. Luckily, though, if the power goes out now, it's no big whoop, because it's cooked. The light, well, there's the light above, which if it went out, that would be kind of lame. But the light back here, back that away, is battery powered. So we got that. But yeah, it is crazy gusty out, and we're in a wind advisory, but we don't have our high wind warning starting right just yet. That's coming soon. So I'm really curious to see how bad it does get. The high wind warning mentioned gusts of like in the 60 mile per hour range. I think that is more like something that's going to be on the coast or closer to the water. But we'll see. So there's that. I have to get more scallions. We got an egg. Let's do the egg. Whoa! Woo! I gotta put that link for this guy we've been watching. He's a nice guy. It's funny though. So he like makes these weird transportation devices, and then he goes up to Alaska, and he like he had a turbo powered canoe on when we were watching, and he went, and he always has like some kind of technical malfunction, but he always gets his butt out of it, which is pretty cool. He doesn't seem to freak out. Always seems to be happy. It reminds me of an old friend of mine, actually, from college. He made like this gas-powered bicycle thing. Like, I think the carburetor was in an Altoids box. I can't remember. Yeah. There we go. This is looking good. But the funny thing is the guy is constantly going, woo! Woo! Yeah. And we're going to add some chili sauce. I'm going to use a decent helping since this is a spicy one. A helping. I always thought, as far as a measure, the helping is a really weird thing. I would like a second helping. I don't know. These kind of things like pop into my head. It's just like, what's the etymology of using the term or the word helping for a measure of food? Oh, where's that thing? I could tell you. I have a thing I can ask you. Or I can ask. Hold on. Let me go find it. I got this thing today. So there's a thing called Buy Nothing. And you can, like, people will take stuff that they don't need anymore and think maybe people will want. Well, I ended up getting an Apple iPhone 7 Plus, which, granted, it's older, but it's a thing. Hey Siri, what is the origin of the term helping, as in I want another helping of food?
Okay, I found this on the web for what is the origin of the term helping as in I want another helping of food. Check it out.
No, you're supposed to just do it. No, not... why is a portion of a meal called a helping? Oh well. I thought I was being clever, but it really didn't... It wasn't really helping. So anyways. But there's our spicy... This one's quite good. I definitely am going to give this one a high score. Really nice sesame-laden broth with a nice heat level. It's good. Nice oily points on it. Yeah, I'm happy. I am happy. Well, it's supposed...
There, that's a little better.
Well, cool. Thanks for watching. Yeah, it's windy, so maybe I'll have a little video of like the tree flopping around, or maybe I'll throw in some audio from my shortwave should the power go out. But I hope everybody's having an enjoyable Monday, December 15th. Why not? It doesn't cost you anything. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.